3 real commands take a plain folder to a fully tracked Git repository with its first genuine commit. In this video you'll run all 3 and see your actual first commit recorded. This real command creates a genuine .git folder, the actual repository right in your current directory. This real command stages index.html, marking it as genuinely ready to be included in the next commit. This real command permanently records the actual staged changes as a genuine snapshot in the repository's history. Git init genuinely creates a real repository in the current folder. Git add stages a real file, marking it ready for the next commit. Git commit permanently records the real staged changes in history. Run git init in a real new folder and make your own first commit. Ready to see exactly what that staging area actually is?